Hello, marhaba, and assalamu alaikum, and welcome back to a new episode of $1,000,000 Listing Istanbul with your investment guide, Adil Sami. So, my lovely investors from all around the world, welcome to my new series of $1,000,000 Listing in Istanbul. Can you see this beautiful villa besides me? Isn't it amazing? Let's talk about first numbers, then we will talk about the why you should invest here, why you should come here, and what is the location of this villa. If we are talking about the meter square, it is 2000 meters square. Just the net covered area is almost 800 meters square. We have 3 floors, 9 rooms, 2 kitchens, 2 floors for our living, and we have this outdoor for your house help. Isn't it amazing? You know, honestly speaking, I always talk about living in a luxury mode, living in a luxury lifestyle, living like a royal, living like a king. So I believe this should be one of those opportunities for you in Istanbul, in Büyükçekmece. It's just 40 kilometers from our city center. If we are talking about by car, it's almost 1 hour. We have everything within our vicinity, schools, hospitals, malls, everything, whatever you need to live in our life, honestly speaking. And if we are talking about your second why, just one option available. We are talking about the price is $2,000,000. Yes, you have heard it correctly, $2,000,000 in Istanbul. Where you, for $1,000,000, you are just getting small apartments in city center, and in suburb of Istanbul, I am giving you this huge, amazing, beautiful villa for just $2,000,000. So I believe if you wanted to come here, you wanted to get this opportunity, and you wanted to move here with your family, don't waste this opportunity, honestly speaking. Contact me, let's talk about this. And if you want to talk about other opportunities, we can talk about that also according to your budget. Follow me on Instagram, Adil Sami Official, to know what is happening in my life. And we will see you in the next video of $1,000,000 listing with your investment guide, Adil Sami. See you.